Hi, we are given this interesting equation and we are asked to find the value of y given that 8 raised to the power of y divided by 4 is equal to log 16 in base 2. So we have that 8 to the power of y divided by 4 is equal to log 16 in base 2. So the first thing we do here is to express 8 in powers of base 2. So we have that this becomes 2 to the power of 3 always to the power of y divided by 4 equal to, also since our log is in base 2, let us say 16 to the power of base 2. So we have that this is log 2 to the power of 4 or in base 2. Now we can simplify the left hand side. This becomes 2. 3 times y is 3y divided by 4 equal to log 2 to the power of 4 or divide by 2. Now recall that if I have log m to the power of p in base n, this can be expressed as p multiplied by log m in base n. So we can apply this rule here. So we have it that the right hand side becomes 4 multiplied by log 2 to base 2, and we bring down our left hand side. Now also logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So we have that 2 to the power of 3y divided by 4 is equal to 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. Now at this point, we have that the equation reduces to 2 to the power of 3y divided by 4 equal to 4. Now, since we have a base of 2 here, we can express 4 in powers of base 2. So recall that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So the right hand side becomes 2 to the power of 2, and we have that 2 to the power of 3y divided by 4. Now, since their bases are the same, we now have it that 3y divided by 4 is equal to 2. Now at this point, we can cross multiply, and we have that 3y is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. So therefore, y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have found the video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.